jewelry pieces. I have two absolutely stunning, completely unique pieces to share with you today from MSBLUE Jewelry. Now, their bread and butter is moissanite and lab-grown diamonds, and I featured them a while back. I have their half pearl, half paperclip necklace, perfect for those of you who enjoy a classic pearl moment, but find a full strand to be too much. And I also have this open moissanite pave ring. People ask about this ring all the time. It's such a subtle but elegant statement piece. But today, let's forget subtle for a moment. So first up, I have this half bezel oval shaped 2-carat moissanite ring. This is in a size 4 and pretty much fits my ring finger, my middle finger, as well as my pointer finger, just because of how thin the band is. But y'all, this half bezel setting is so sleek and eye-catching. I mean, look at it from its side profile. Like, this is giving everything but traditional plain solitaire ring. I mean, not just the setting, but the fact that the oval is placed horizontally. Again, it's these simple tweaks that all of a sudden make it not such a simple ring. Now, depending on your budget, you can select different carat weights and different metals. Mine is in the 18-carat gold for male, but you can also opt for the 14-carat solid gold. And they also have this in yellow, rose, and white gold. And also, if oval cuts aren't your vibe, they have so many others, and each looks so unique with its half bezel setting. Now, if you thought that one was a showstopper, just wait until you see this next one. This definitely takes inspiration from the Spinelli rings, and it is the Intertwined Pave studded promise ring. But unlike the Spinelli rings, this is just one solid piece, and the connector rings are just purely ornamental. They're kind of like mini fidget spinners. But man, this is one heck of a promise ring, like the loudest promise ring known to mankind. Now, you may want to size up half a size if you want to give the spinners room to spin. Mine is also in the size 4, but while the solitaire ring can fit on multiple fingers, this can essentially only fit on my ring finger and still be able to do its spinning thing. So just keep that in mind. Look at that. Look at how cool that is. And here's what both of them look like on the same hand. Like, tell me this isn't something special.